My practice is defined by an exploration of conflicting facets within my identity. As an artist, I find myself compelled to understand and express my deep sense of belonging to the woodlands and wild spaces of my home in Somerset. As a potter, I find joy and satisfaction in the repetitive, controlled movements required for the production of functional ware on the potter's wheel. I am interested in how I can communicate this internal tension between the natural and the technological as core elements of my identity. My making revolves primarily around my wheel, a process that inherently imbues my work with a sense of functionality. For this project, I designed a simple, utile form that I could make repeatedly at varying scales. While this form is ultimately one that can be used, I have left the nature of its function intentionally oblique in order to focus with greater clarity on my material study and to draw the viewer's eye away from the more obvious notions of familiar pottery. In my exploration of the nature of material landscape and identity, I treat the surface of my thrown pots as a canvas. Using decorating slips stained with metal oxides that are present in the hills upon which my local woodlands grow, I allow the brush freedom as it moves across the pot, leaving dynamic brushstrokes of stained slip in its wake. While no two pots are ever the same, they all contribute individually to the collective whole. I believe that wood has memory, a powerful metaphor through which our senses of time and self can be reframed and understood. The wood ash I use in my glaze is principally made from ash trees. Much of the ash present in my local woodlands has been seriously affected by dieback and as a result has found use only as firewood. By transforming the resulting wood ash into the finishing surface of my work, I aim to both preserve the inherent memory of the wood itself and allow it to achieve a revitalized form of utility. As the gestural brushstrokes of slip interact with each other and the glaze that envelops them, unique identitarian landscapes form. This surface functions expressively on the individual pot, but belongs to a larger body of work. A new material landscape forming across multiple iterations of the same thrown form.